For many people, the cause of their bruxism is stress, anxiety, or other underlying emotional conditions, things like traumas or bad experiences from the past. And it's really this stress, this anxiety, or other underlying emotional conditions which causes the unconscious behavior of grinding and clenching, whether that's happening in the daytime or the nighttime. So I work with clients to help them overcome these emotional issues, resolving these emotional issues, and so removing the actual cause of the bruxism, and then retraining the body to drastically reduce the amount of clenching and grinding with a view to moving past this and actually leaving bruxism behind for good.